This is exactly why the crypto market is crashing. It's the secret sauce to understanding financial markets. This is the chart of the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. When it goes up, markets pump. When it goes down even a little bit, markets crash. This is the pre-pandemic low. This is when Bitcoin was 3K. The Federal Reserve's balance sheet pumped. Bitcoin went from 3K to 69K. Look at where we are right now. We're at this dotted line. We've had crypto devastation just from this little plateauing of the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. The market thinks the Fed is going to do this to its balance sheet and crash everything, but here is the reality of what is most likely going to happen because we are getting data like this. Oil tumbles more than 8%, breaks below $100 as recession fears mount. The Federal Reserve is trying to kill inflation by crashing markets, by crashing growth. If oil goes down, inflation goes down. We are at the fear of recession phase. This happens all the time. The Federal Reserve crashes markets, and then we recover in a ridiculous bull run. But we really have to understand what is going on. Bonds flash recession warning light as key part of the yield curve inverts again. Bonds are flashing recession warning. Oil is flashing recession warning. This is the sweet spot. Once inflation dies, the Federal Reserve can finally ease and stimulate the market. It is incredible if you're a long-term investor and don't get shaken out by this manipulation. Let's figure out what is going on in the crypto market and all the news going on today. Bitcoin tourists have been purged. Only holders remain. That is a fact. All the short-term traders are out. All the wishy-washy people are out. All that's left are the holders. And we've seen wallet addresses of the whales and the small fish hit all-time highs. The network is very strong. This is what the smart money is doing in this environment. NFT-focused projects continue attracting venture capital despite market-wide collapse. Venture capital is buying in this dip. JP Morgan's head of asset management sales has left the bank to join Pantera Capital. A big Wall Street insider is joining Pantera Capital, which is only focused on blockchain. Wall Street giant Goldman Sachs trades the first block trade of Bitcoin futures in Asia. Goldman Sachs is not going anywhere. They're marrying up to crypto. Turkey's peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading volume is up 40% as inflation skyrockets to 78%. As inflation happens, people turn to Bitcoin. It's a global asset. Obviously, people want it as an inflation head, and they will want it once we get through this panic selling. White House, Bitcoin mining report will be released in August. We're going to get regulatory clarity on Bitcoin mining in August. It's an exciting time. The network is strong. This is the Lightning Network. This is the growth. This is the total payments on the Lightning Network. Absolutely at an all-time high. This is 2 years ago, literally nowhere. Look at what has happened in that time. Crazy. Now let's think about the assets that are going to do well in a crypto bull market. There's really high quality ones that are indiscriminately being sold right now. Atom surges 30% in July, announces ThorChain integration. Now you can use Atom on the ThorChain network, which is governed by the Rune token, to seamlessly trade with all the assets on the Thor network securely. So that's just good news for Atom. Obviously, it's pumping. Ethereum name service is the top NFT collection of the last hour, 24 hours, and 7 days by volume and number of sales. I've talked about the Ethereum name service. Don't say I didn't warn you. If you're bullish Ethereum name service is a great way to play the growth of that network. Cardano hit 13,000 GitHub commits in June, becomes most developed project in crypto industry. So they're doing the Vasil hard fork. They're finally going to be able to scale the network. Massive development is coming to Cardano. At least that's what we're seeing on chain. Manny Pacquiao has selected the Cardano blockchain to launch his NFT collection. One of the most popular boxers in the world is using the Cardano blockchain to launch its NFTs. 3 tournaments, $1 million, Axie Infinity and Sky Mavis go big on their first AxieCon event in Barcelona. Tickets on sale now. That is a lot of prize money. Axie Infinity is already a huge play-to-earn game in Metaverse. If they're going to be giving out prize money like that, lots of people are going to be flocking to these tournaments. Very early stage. 9 out of 10 Coinbase users hold Shiba Inu. That is a lot of holders of the Shiba Inu network. We're going to get a big announcement coming out from the Shiba Inu ecosystem soon. We will stay on top of that.